Notify interruptions and accidents. Here we will talk about the responsibility of a person, institution, or of an organization to notify interruptions or accidents to the Technical Advisory Committee. Now here, for example, you have prepared a genetically modified organism. For example, it is a genetically modified bacteria. When you release it into the environment, you found that it is harmful for the environment, for the nature, as well as for the human beings. Now here, it is your responsibility to submit this information to the Technical Advisory Committee as soon as possible, ताकि वो special precautionary measures ले सके. So, discharge of genetically modified organisms into the environment that has a harmful effect to the nature or to the environment should be notified to the Technical Advisory Committee. Person, institution और organization जिन्हें लाइसेंस मिला है अंडर रूल 11 फ्रॉम द पाकिस्तान फेडरल एजेंसी, वो इंफॉर्मेशन भी अपनी टेक्निकल एडवाइजरी कमेटी को सबमिट कराएं, क्योंकि लाइसेंस मींस डज नॉट मीन दैट इट विल reduce your responsibility as a person, institution और organization. आपने इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे या इंस्टीट्यूशनल लेवल पे जो भी एक्सीडेंट या इंटरप्शंस के थ्रू हैजर्ड्स आए हैं उनको मिनिमाइज करना है या उनको प्रिवेंट करना है. Now most of the applicants, they hide the information from the Technical Advisory Committee that they have the power to revoke their license. लेकिन ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि अगर आप एक ऐसी इंफॉर्मेशन देना चाहते हैं रिगार्डिंग जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड ऑर्गेनिजम्स जिसके ऑफ साइट इफेक्ट्स हैं, इट इज़ बेटर टू गिव द इंफॉर्मेशन टू द टेक्निकल एडवाइजरी कमेटी. टेक्निकल एडवाइजरी कमेटी ना सिर्फ आपको हेल्प आउट करेगी टू प्रिवेंट or minimize the interruptions or accidents that occurred in your experiment or in your field work or during commercialization, बल्कि major accidents की सूरत में आपको emergency plan भी बना के देगी. So it is the responsibility of Technical Advisory Committee on the other side that once they got such information from the person, from the organization or from the institution regarding off-site effects that has a major accident, then they have to make off-site plan, emergency plans for the institution or for the organization and even for the individual, ताकि biosafety guidelines में improvement लाए जा सके और applicants उसको properly follow कर सकें.